Last time we have seen how to install Docker into Windows as well as Linux. Okay, now let's explore more about this thing. So, what are we going to study today? What is Docker image? From where you can get it? How to make container from it and run in your system. Okay, this is the agenda of today's session. So, what is a Docker image? So first of all, see all the software, maybe Java, maybe MySQL, maybe Python. Okay, there is a central repository where all the software has been stored. Okay, these software, okay, where they have been stored into a central repository, so we call them as an image. I hope you can get it. Now, from where you can get it? Okay, so we'll go to the central repository and we'll try to get some software from there. Okay, then we'll discuss how to make container from it and then we'll run into your system. Now let us say that we are planning to learn Python, but Python is not there into our system. So how are we going to run it? Okay, so first of all, start Docker into your system. Okay, as discussed in the last time. Okay, then just go to the command prompt or PowerShell wherever you are. Okay, now at any given moment, if you want to know how many images are there into local system, so just say Docker images. Okay, you will be saying Docker images. Okay, so these are the images right now that you are having. So these images are there into my local system. Now I want to run Python. Okay, without installing Python into my local system, then how to do that? So from where I can get the Python software. So just go to Docker Hub. Okay, just start a browser, any of the browser. Just say Docker Hub. All right, you will be reaching here. So it is basically a central repository where all the software, maybe Java, Python, etc., has been stored. Just come here and just say Python. Okay, Python. It will search here. Okay, now you can see the first link is being displayed as Python. Just click into this thing. Okay, once you click into this thing, okay, it will give you all the details about this particular software. So it is basically okay an image of Python which has been kept okay as an image into central repository. Now if you come to this right hand side, okay, you can observe here, okay, they have mentioned Docker pull Python. So what is the meaning of these things? Okay, so this software of Python has been stored here, okay, as an image. And suppose we would like to bring this image into our system. Okay, this is the command docker pull and Python. So I'm simply copying these things. All right, going to my command prompt and just copy pasting this thing. So now just see this here. There is no Python right now into my system, and I'm saying docker pull Python. Now what is happening actually? So now see we are going to the Docker Hub and the Python image is okay being okay extracted from the central repository and trying to bring that particular image into my local system. It will take few seconds, okay, depending upon the network that you are using. So basically it is trying to bring that image from central repository to my local system. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll make a container. I'll share all the command. We'll make a container from this and we'll try to run Python, even though Python is not there into our system. So you will be very much clear about this thing. Okay, how to make container from an image. Okay, then how to run into your system. So now what is happening? Okay, it is trying to pull the image from central repository into my system. Okay, so this is what we are trying to do right now as I discuss you. Okay, so a Docker image. So what is a Docker image? It is basically a software stores in the central repository. Okay, and whenever you want to get it, you have to go to the central repository. Okay, just click on the link and then you will get Docker pull and the command. Now after this, we'll try to make a container from this. Now container will have, okay, everything, whatever you require to run Python into your local system. So basically it is trying to bring that Python image into my system. So if you observe here, okay, you can see here, there is no Python right now. And when this process gets completed, okay, we'll be able to see the Python image into this thing. So I have all the commands here in Excel. I'll be sharing you this as well with you. Okay, once I complete all Python. So what does we say? Okay, now if suppose, okay, I'll just increase the font size. Okay, just observe this. Okay, so see, suppose you want to run Python, okay, from the image that you are pulling from hub to your local system, to you will be doing like this: docker run hyphen hyphen name. Okay, it is a syntax. Now, py1 is the name of the container that you are going to make, and hyphen it stand for interactive mode, and hyphen d stand for detached mode. And Python is the name of the image. So again, I'm repeating: docker run hyphen hyphen name. Py1 is the name of the container that you are going to make. Hyphen stand for interactive mode. Hyphen d stand for detached mode, and Python is the name of the image. So I'll just copy this file, okay, command, and I'll share it with you. Okay, so now it is still, once this is done, okay, once this is done, the container will be there. Okay, when the container is there, then how to run it? You will be saying here, okay, docker exec hyphen it py1. What is py1? Okay, just see here the name of your container, okay, which you have just made from Python image. Then how to run it? You'll be writing Python 3. Once you say Python 3, the Python will start running inside this particular container, not into your system. Okay, once this is clear, then I'll teach you how to see all the container right now, okay, into a system, how to come out from your Python. Okay, let's see how much is remaining. Download completed. Okay, it is about to complete. Okay, now I can open a different command prompt. You can run it from anywhere. There is no restriction that you should be into this. Okay, images. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, Python is about to come. Not still downloaded. It's taking some time. Okay, don't worry for that. Okay, download completed. I think the speed of net is a bit slow into my system. Okay, soon it will come over here. It is downloading. Okay, yes. So let's see this. 13. Okay. Sorry for the time being. Actually, I want you to see everything, how it is happening. Okay, that is the reason I'm doing it in front of you only. Okay, fine. By the time you can see here, okay, I have command this. And here, okay, you have everything about this image. Okay, same way. Suppose you want to run MySQL. So you need not have to do anything, just simply come here and say MySQL. Okay, this MySQL. Just click into this. Okay, so Docker pull MySQL. Now it has every details. Okay, how to run this MySQL by using this particular, okay, command into your system. Okay, let me see it. It is taking a bit time. Okay, now just say Docker Python images. Okay, now you see Python is there, correct? Okay, now I'll copy paste this thing. See now, Docker run. Okay, I'll just make the screen clear. See, earlier Python was not there. You have seen this. Now Python is there. Okay, now I'll just clear the screen so that you can see it properly. Now see this. Okay, it is indicating that the containers has done. If I say Docker PS, Okay, you can see here. Okay, container ID. So the container which it has made, the ID of this, image name, and how to run this. Okay, and when you have make it, and the name of the Python. Now what is the next command I told you? Okay, I told you execute this. Fine. Now we'll try to run this. Okay, now you can see Python prompt has come. So what we have done, docker exec hyphen it py1. What is py1? Okay, the ID, see this container, the name that you have given over here right now. Okay, and Python 3 is this. Now I can say print, okay, hello, you'll be getting the output. Okay, you can see it. Print, I say welcome, okay. So now see this. These all are running inside the container, okay, not on to our local system. I hope that is very much clear. Now I say this 10, I say b equal to 20, and then I say print. Anything you can do it right now. Okay, see this Python is running. So Python is running inside that particular container. I will share all the command. Okay, and now if I say exit, I will come out from it. Okay, now if I say docker inspect, okay, the name of the command. See this. You just say docker inspect, name of your image, you will get every details about this thing. Okay, from where you're getting everything. There is something known as CMD also. So CMD means how to run it. Okay, thank you for watching this. I hope you understood this very well.